Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be putting these aluminum shot caps on the T-maxx, the motor mount, in this wheelie bar. Alright, let's start. First thing we're going to do is start with the motor mount. It's pretty easy. It comes with these 3 screws on here. They're Phillips screws. Just going to take these off. And then it has one nut for this front one. It goes like this on there. And then underneath there's 3 screw holes that you need to use. Screw it on like this. The 2 shorter screws go there and there, and then the longer one with the bolt goes there. It might be easier to take this off if you do put this screw in, because it's kind of hard to get at, or use a skinnier screwdriver. Then this long one just sticks through, and then the nut goes on top. Alright, now that's on. Let's do the wheelie bar next. Here's the wheelie bar. So package it. Nice aluminum and metal. Nice big wheels. Looks like bushings in there. Foam tape piece. And then some hex screws. You just had to take the 4 screws out of that, and I believe you just keep that on there. You could probably take it off, but I'm not going to. And then I'm going to put this on top of it. I'm not going to use the screw that comes with it because these ones are longer, so I'm going to use the longer screws. I'll screw this on and be right back. Alright. Got that on. Looks pretty good. Now I'll put shot cap on. Here, I'll unbox it. Comes with screws and washers for these. Nice shiny. Now I'll put one on. Shock oil is kind of gross, but I'm just going to leave it for now. Gotta take this out. And just put that in there. Shot caps won't fall off now. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Now I'll put it on. And then I'll put the rest on off camera, and then I'll come back once it's done. Alright, got everything on. I think that's all to do for this video. I was going to see one last thing. It does, everything looks really nice, turned out good. Here is the motor. Fits like that. I'm going to maybe screw it on in this video, and then I think that's about it. I'll screw it on quick and then I'll come back. Got it all screwed on. Was pretty easy to do. I just had to take these off to kind of reach it better. But otherwise, that's pretty easy. Got that on there. I think that's all for this video. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time for part 4.